Hi, I'm Sachwinkant Anbarasan from third year undergraduate doing electronics and communication engineering from Chennai Institute of Technology, Chennai. And my problem statement that I have undertaken is the culinary equipment innovation posted by Hattori Industrial Company Limited. And today I want to talk about the future, specifically the future of food in one of the most dynamic markets in the world, India. So, India's culinary landscape is exploding. There's an immense appetite for fewer near experiences, and Japanese cuisine, with its largest appeal, is right at the top of the list. However, there's a paradox. While the demand is high, scalable Japanese food in India faces three fundamental challenges. First, taste. Adapting the subtle, delicate flavors of Japan to a palate that often craves more robust, spicier notes. Second, the ingredients. Authentic Japanese ingredients can be expensive and difficult to source consistently. And the third, most critical, is scaling. How do you replicate a complex fusion dish with a perfectly consistent across 10 or 100 different kitchens, right? We believe the answer isn't just adapting recipes. The real opportunity lies in re-engineering the process of creating them. And today we are proposing not just a new product but a new platform for a culinary plat- innovation. Our culinary vision starts with two concepts designed for the Indian market: Indo Maki rolls and Tawa Yaki bowls. Imagine Indo Maki, the iconic format of the Japanese maki roll, right? But instead of a nori and sushi rice, we use a thin, savory Indian crepe, like a dosa, for example, wrapped around the beloved fillings like paneer tikka or chicken chettinadu. It's very familiar but excitingly new. Then imagine Tawayaki, the theater and speed of Japanese tapenaki, but adapted to the Indian tawa, creating sizzling bowls of flash grilled proteins and vegetables with unique fusion glazes like tamarind teriyaki. But a great idea is nothing without flawless execution. Manually creating these dishes at scale at the bottleneck, and that is the problem we have solved. This is the Hitauri Fusion Station 8000. It's the heart of our operation. It's a single, compact, modular unit designed for the high unit pressure environment and of a modern cloud kitchen. It has two integrated modules. The first is Maki Sheet Automated Crepe Maker. This is our most significant innovation. It takes any Indian batter and produces perfect uniform rectangular crepe sheets over 150 per hour. The rectangular shape is critical. It makes rolling efficient and consistent, and something that's impossible with a traditional round dosa. It serves the base of a Indo maki perfectly every single time. And the second is Tawayaki, multi-zone griddle. This is precision engineering applied in high heat cooking. It features three distinctive temperature zones for perfect searing, cooking, and warming. Integrated dispensers apply sauces precisely, and an automated oil mist system ensures that a healthy, even coating. It delivers perfectly cooked tawayaki components with minimal skill required from the operator. Together, these modules create a unified production engine, allowing a single chef to manage both crepe production and filling preparation simultaneously. This is the food tech innovation that unlocks scalability. An innovation of this scale requires real world validation, and that's why we propose a low risk, data driven pilot program, Cloud Kitchen. We call it as Roll Ball. With a focused budget on $80,000, we will launch Roll Ball in a major Indian metro like Bengaluru, Udhampur, etc. The goals are simple and strategic: validate the mission, refine the recipes, create an operational blueprint. This pilot isn't just test kitchen, it's an incubator for the future franchise. So, why is this right project for Hattori? Right? Because it perfectly marries Hattori's legacy of world-class Japanese engineering with a deep strategic understanding of high growth market emerging from the Japan. This project opens up multiple revenue streams. We are not just selling a mission, we are creating an entire ecosystem. First, higher margin equipment sales of the HFS 8000. Second, the potential for a franchise or licensing model with the roll ball concept. And the most importantly, its position of Autori Industrial, not just a manufacturer of equipment, but a pioneering leader in the global food tech space. It demonstrates that Hattori just doesn't build kitchens today. It engineers the culinary solutions for the tomorrow. So, in conclusion of my statement, the Hattori Fusion Station 8000 is more than a piece of hardware. It's the key that unlocks a multi-billion dollar market in the fusion cuisine in India and beyond. It solves the fundamental challenge of taste, ingredients, and the scale through intelligent design and process innovation. We aren't just proposing a new product, we are proposing the future of the future design, engineered by Hattori. And thank you for giving this opportunity.